Gold yesterday has created a bullish candle. Compared to the 2-3 days before, we can see that the price is still trading in between these two price levels. But yesterday the price has also formed this bullish candle that has took above this price level, which is a very important one, a resistance. And we can see that the price could not make another bullish breakout above this price level, which would also be some kind of a signal for bullish strength. Now this bearish candle that has been formed the day before has been cancelled because of this bullish movement. So there are still bulls that are preventing the price from falling even more down, but also there are the sellers who are preventing the price from going above. So we are currently inside indecision range area still. Even though the price has gone outside of this, it has made a one step up and it is currently trading in between these two price levels. Now what could happen today? It's Friday, so it's very hard to predict correctly, because on a Friday before the afternoon the price follows some kind of trading analysis which could be used in trading, but after that on the later afternoon it is very hard because the market moves in any direction, because the traders also get out of their trades, lock their profit before the weekend, so the price can move against the technical analysis. I'm not expecting that the price will drop down even more below this price level, which is a very important support level, but I'm thinking that the price will stay around inside this range area. But this could happen that the price also makes some kind of a bearish or bullish breakout, which I will also check on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, share with the traders inside the Telegram group. So we'll see what are very important levels and when the price makes a move. For example, bullish breakout above critical price level and also below this one, which is a very important support level. Now how the week will close, we'll see that, because we can see currently price is forming this indecision candle, and it is with a small bullish body. But until the end of the day and also end of the week, we need to see how the price will behave. If the price makes a pretty strong bearish candle going all the way back down here, this will be a bearish signal where the price could go even more down to 2450. But this is something that I will share tomorrow, which will be a weekly analysis with traders. Now if you would like to check also more details, what happens during the day, what are the critical levels, and when the price will make a bullish or bearish breakout, feel free to check 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, and join the traders inside the Telegram group. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.